How to calculate the IRR in Excel using the XIRR formula. In one of our last videos, we showed you how to calculate the IRR using the IRR formula in Excel. To recap, we need a cash flow stream forecast, and then we apply a simple formula and calculate the IRR based on the forecast cash flows. The problem is how this formula knows when these cash flows occur. For instance, if you say that these cash flows occur on different dates here in January, then in August, and the date varies slightly each year, this formula won't be accurate anymore. I will shortly hide this. What we need to do instead to solve that and take into account the effective cash flow date is to use the modified XIRR formula. Here, it's the same. We mark the expected free cash flows. We add a comma, and then we also mark their respective cash flow dates. Voila, you can see how these three cash flow forecasts consider the date these cash flows will occur. This result is a bit different from using the standard formula. Timing does matter when you calculate IRR or NPV. That's why XIRR is a more precise formula for financial modeling. Visit our website and follow us for more.